So welcome back to another episode of Backyard Texas BBQ. Today I'm making a delicious sauce called comeback sauce. So I grew up in the beautiful state of Utah, and this is a sauce that we shared all the time. Now I've lived all over the country, and come to find out, it has a name. It's called comeback sauce. Now I love to use this recipe for all kinds of things, from French fries to onion rings, but my most favorite thing to put it on is hamburgers. So today I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make this delicious sauce that will make any burger recipe out of this world.
So you're gonna start with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Then I added about 2 tablespoons or 2 squirts of ketchup. Now we want this to have a little bit of kick, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Now if you want it really hot, you can go ahead and add 3 tablespoons if you want. But for me and my family, I stick to about 2 tablespoons. Now it's time for the seasoning. You're gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and then 1/4 teaspoon of just black pepper. And that is all there is to it. So go ahead and mix this up really well. You can use a whisk if you want to, or if you're using a spoon like me, you just keep mixing until it's all combined. Now this recipe really only takes about 2 minutes to throw together, and it will make your burgers or your French fries or your onion rings or anything that you're barbecuing taste absolutely delicious.
All right, ready? All right guys, that's all I have for you today. If you want to check out some more of my favorite barbecue recipes, especially my smoked recipes, I have a delicious smoked pork up there for you, and then also my favorite smoked barbecue ribs right there. All right you guys, I will see you next Friday. Have a good weekend. Bye.